welcome to a new video. I'm here in Mazda Croydon with my friend and she's here to look at this Mazda 3. So let's just see how that goes on. So that's my mate Steffi and her brother Chris. We got the key. So here's the key and let's get in the car. Let's just check it out. So we're into the car. Right. Oh wow. I mean, I never owned a Mazda, but I gotta say the first impression, I love that. I just love that. Just look at that. Can you see that? Oh, that looks good. Well, that's Steffi. She's very happy just looking at the color of the car. I mean, it's gorgeous. It comes in this beautiful red. You can see it outside. I love this little chrome. It's a manual. How much is the asking price again? £13,790. That's not bad. It's a pretty good car. I mean, it's for my mate's brother, so it's gonna be his first car. So for a first car, this isn't bad at all. Little round thing. I like this. It reminds me of the BMW one, but of course the BMW sat nav is the best. But I still love the fact that how they have this twiggly little thing. Pretty good. It got little sat nav up there. How easy is it to use? Let's see. Let's enter destination. Let's find home. So home for me is East London. Change it. Ah, not bad. This is not bad at all. Let's start the car. Wow, check that head-up display. Nice. I like it. That's my first impression. I mean, it's not a bad car for someone who just passed their test, and as a first car, I mean, this is good. You get everything that you need. It got a parking sensor, so you can park up in the town in a tight spot. It got a heated seats. This particular model, of course, it have 13,000 miles on the clock, which is not bad for a diesel. Almost new. One thing I gotta say, visibility at the back, I don't know if you guys can see it, probably isn't the best. This car have a folded mirror, which is so good for someone like me who's lazy, who can't be bothered to fold up their mirrors. That's perfect for you. You can test drive. It's a proper test up here. I mean, it's not bad. First time driving a Mazda, and let's just see how this feels. First thing, steering is very light. It's pretty quiet. Even though it's a diesel car, it doesn't really sound like a diesel. I mean, I've driven on the diesel from there and it's so noisy.
How was it?
It was good. I mean, I love it. Right now, so just driven the Mazda, and I have to say my first impression was this drives pretty good. It drives as good as a Ford or even your Volkswagen. I don't know why they're so underrated here in the UK. What do you think of the car, Chris? Oh yeah? And Ronald, what do you think of the car?
Good, very good.
Good. I will quickly just go over the car with you guys. So of course this is a Mazda 3. It's a 1.6 and it creates 99 gram of CO2. So that means it's free of road tax. Got registered before 2017, otherwise this car would have ended up paying 140. Right, according to the figure, it says that this car can do 65 miles to the gallon, but however, when I was driving it, I was getting 40 miles. 0 to 60 you'd hit for 11 seconds. This is a proper ideal car for someone who wants this car as their first car. What do you think as a second car? Interior, my goodness, black and brown.
Passengers, they got a couple.
It doesn't matter. It's all for the driver. That's a nice color. Check this. Have a convertible as well, so it's not bad. There's something about this Mazda that I really like. Just look at it. Not bad, eh? This is the sort of car that you need in Spain. Roof down, just enjoy it. Roland in his natural habitat. They're all good. Yeah. The color is nice. Red something, but I don't know the name of this.
It's steering wheel. It's a must. And this has it.
Defo. It's pretty handy on winter though.
Yeah. No what's missing? Sunroof.
Oh, there's no sunroof. That's a shame. How's the back space like? Oh, not bad. Good leg space. Like it. Moment of truth, guys. Finally, the car is ready, and we're taking this home.
Welcome to the good life. We'll be like the girls who ain't on TV because they got more.
USB is further down. If you have anything connected to the USB, it will pop up. USB connections are in here, and the sat nav cards in here as well. Charging input in there as well. CDs go here.
So that's the boot space, guys. Not bad. Enough for your Tesco
They have a
shopping.
light. They have a light.
Ah, it does the job. Not bad, not bad. So Chris bought the car, thanks to Benjamin, of course, for everything. And yeah, exciting moments. Oh, this is the best feature.
It's done.
Keyless entry. Gotta love that. Thank you, Benjamin, for everything, allowing me to record this. Happy guy, Chris. Moment of truth. Finally, we got the car. Now, of course, Steffi's gonna drive it, and Steffi got insured, so she will drive all the way. So she's trying to get all the settings, and she's trying to get used to it. I hope Chris enjoys the car. It drives pretty good, as I already said. And have a good day, guys. Hope to see you soon in my next video.